Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very special unboxing to do, and as you can probably tell by the theme of today's backdrop, for those of you that have already seen this coin, you'd already know what I'm about to unbox. Now this has arrived all the way from Germany. It was very kindly sent to me by a company called Pitcoin. Now they have sent me these coins to review, and full disclosure, they have included 2 ounces of silver in this package for me to keep as a way of saying thank you for me making this video on the coins. Now as always, I will be giving my honest opinions on the coins, but from what I've seen on other people's channels already, the 2 coins that I've got to showcase today are absolutely stunning. So let's get straight into the unboxing and let's have a closer look at what we've been sent. Now we'll leave links to Pitcoin's website in today's video description. They've also included a $20, I believe, discount code, and again I will leave the links to that discount code in today's video description, so if you choose to buy anything from their website you'll be able to save some money yourself on the purchase. So I'm really looking forward to seeing how these coins look in the hand, because like I said, I have seen them on other people's channels already and they look absolutely stunning. Now this is the same company that made the Gangster series, and for those of you that have seen that series you'll know that it's performing very well, and it's proved to be a very popular coin. Wow, really nicely packed. I know exactly who I'm going to be sending all of these to. Right, okay, so one package here. Another package here. Wow, really nicely packaged. These have come all the way from Germany, so it's really nice to see the care that they put into the packaging. What we got? Oh, we've got some sweets. Look at that, double bonus. Right, I believe that is everything from there, so I will be shipping these out to the person that collects them very soon. Right, so we have the bag of sweets, we have 1 parcel, 2 parcels and 3 parcels. Okay, so first of all I'm going to go into this one. Now I believe this is the 2 ounces of silver that they've sent me as a way of saying thank you for making today's video. So very kind, very generous of Pitcoin to send me 2 ounces of silver to keep for my stack. I'm really interested to see what they've sent, so let's have a closer look. Okay, so we have a 2023 Silver Britannia. Very nice, in a very nice thick capsule as well to protect it. And I believe we have another one of those as well. So really nice. Again, focus. Really nice coins to add to my stack. So thank you very much for sending me these, and really nice capsules they've been put in as well. So thank you for that. We'll add those over the back there. But now let's get into the stars of the show. Now I would like to save the Peaky Blinders till last, because as you can tell I'm very excited about that one, because I did watch the whole of the Peaky Blinders series and I absolutely loved it. There we go, that's the Peaky Blinders one. One of my favourite series to watch on TV. It's about a family in Birmingham that pretty much run the whole of Birmingham, almost like the kind of mafia of Birmingham if you like. And they really did start to take over not just Birmingham but the UK at one stage, and they even started branching their operations abroad as well. It's a really interesting series. It's one of my favourite series that I've ever watched. Every time I watched the series I had to have a glass of whiskey, because if you've seen the series they're always drinking whiskey and it really gets you craving a nice glass of whiskey. So you can see we've also got the Pablo Escobar coin here, which is again is a truly stunning coin from what I've seen in other people's videos. And I was going to do these 2 videos separate, but I think it would be quite nice to do a monster unboxing and showcase them all in today's video. I'll put the sweets to one side, but we will leave the Peaky Blinders till last, because that's the one I'm most excited about having a look at. So let's have a first look at the Pablo Escobar. Wow, I can already see it's in a wooden box, which is really cool. Gives it that really classy feel. Now, these are premium coins. Don't expect to be paying bullion prices for pieces like this. These are collectible pieces. They're limited mintage and they're part of a series. So extremely collectible. quite high premiums, but then you're paying for the artwork and the quality of the coin, and not just the coin, the presentation as well. Look at that. Really cool, nice wooden box. It's got like a magnetic opening. Some of these on here, wow, look at that already. Look how much that pops already, and I haven't even taken it out of the box yet. Right, we're going to go straight for the COA first. You can see it says Pablo Escobar. Now, I know these are a bit of a love it or hate it series, these gangster series, because some people don't think we should be celebrating criminals, essentially. But other people really enjoy it because they like the history behind it. And they look at it as part of the history and not so much celebrating the crimes that these people have done. You can see there's only 500 of these coins released, so extremely low mintage. 3/9's fine. Antiqued finished, ultra high relief. Face value 1 billion pesos. And you can see, like I said, it's from a company called Pick Coins, which is based in Germany. Now let's have a look at the coin. These are going to be so hard for me to send back. That's the problem when you're reviewing these really nice premium coins. You just want to keep hold of them all. Wow, look at that. Let me try and lock the focus for a little bit so we can really appreciate all the detail. Look at that. That is truly stunning. What an absolute work of art that coin is. Now, I don't know if it's easy to take it out of the capsule. I don't even know if I want to take it out of the capsule. Now, I think we're going to leave it in because the capsule is very, very tightly sealed. You can see even this side looks fantastic. You've almost got like a GTA map on the back there. Wow, absolutely stunning piece. Look at that thick capsule. And it's got to be a thick capsule because it's got such a high relief on this coin. So you need that thick capsule for it to actually fit in, and also it helps it pop more because you've got the space between the coin and the capsule. Absolutely stunning piece of silver, and like I said, this is going to be so hard to send back because it really is a stunning piece of silver. Wow. Absolute work of art. And like I said, you are paying for the work of art side of things when you're buying these sorts of coins. Truly stunning coin. Really, really nice. Now let me know in the comment section if you'll be picking up this coin, if you've already picked up this coin, or whether these coins aren't for you. Be interested to hear, because I know there's kind of quite a large market for these sorts of coins, but then you do have some of the hardcore stackers that won't go near them because they want to get their silver for as close to spot as possible, and that's absolutely fine. When you're buying these sorts of coins, you're buying them in the hope that the series is going to do well, and also you're buying them just because you like the look of them. You're not necessarily buying them with a guarantee that you're going to make money on them. You're buying them because you enjoy them, and if they make money, it's an added bonus. But let's get straight into the Peaky Blinders. Now this is going to be my favorite piece just because I absolutely love the TV series. Apparently, after watching Cobra's video, they're also bringing out a feature film soon. So I'm guessing that alone will really boost the popularity in these coins, because people that haven't necessarily seen the series on TV, after they see the film, they're going to go back and they're going to re-watch the series. And also they're going to be looking to start getting into collecting different pieces from the film if they enjoy it. Again, we've got another wooden box, really, really nice quality wooden box. It's nice to see these wooden boxes and not plastic boxes for a change. Really, really cool. And let's have a look again, magnetic opening. Wow. Right, this time we're going to go straight for the coin instead because I can't leave that coin sitting there. Wow, this feels absolutely amazing in the hand. No, I'm not God, not yet. Now, this is the first in the Peaky Blinders series. So this is the Thomas Shelby. And this could prove to be the most popular coin out of the series just because it's the first one in the series. So those people that discover the series late, or like I said, after the film comes out, they discover the series, they'll want to go back and they'll want to backdate their collection. And they're going to find it very hard to get hold of these for a nice price because, like I said, they're a low mintage. And this is the first one in the series. So quite often when you have these popular series that come out, the first one is the most collectible and it's the most sought after. And also this is the main character in the film. So they haven't saved the main character till last. They brought the main character straight out in the mix. Look at that. I really want to take it out of the capsule, but at the same time, I don't want to risk doing any damage to this coin because this is not mine to keep. This has got to go back to Pitcoin, unfortunately. Absolutely stunning piece of silver. I believe this is gold gilded. Now, as a rule of thumb, I'm not normally a massive fan of gold gilded coins. I either like gold or silver. I look at gold gilding as just a fancy way of saying gold plated. But in this particular coin, it really, really looks nice. It really stands out. His name badge. Absolutely stunning coin. I hope this lighting is doing this coin justice. Wow. Okay. Talk about high relief. Look at that. Look how thick the capsule is in that box. Right, let's have a look at the stats on this one. So this is, like I said, the very first one in the series. Thomas Shelby, 10 years of legitimate business. So it's kind of like a celebration anniversary coin, if you like. Wow, look at the back. Really nice photo there of the whole team. Peaky Blinders, like I said, from Pitcoin. 2023 year. Face value is $5. Silver. It's 2 ounce in weight, so that's why it feels nice in the hand. 45mm diameter. So a nice chunky coin. Antique finish, black proof, micro laser engraving, and you've also got that 24 karat gold gilding, which, like I said, I'm normally not a massive fan of, but it works really, really well in this coin. It really makes the name badge pop. The coin is limited to 1,000 pieces, so you've got slightly higher mintage on this one over the other one, and this is number 207 of 1,000. So yeah, really, really stunning coin. Now, I do believe that Cobra has some of these for sale on his auction. I'm not sure how quickly I'm going to get this video edited, but if you're watching this video and he hasn't done this month's auction yet already, I believe he's got some of these up for grabs. So definitely worth heading over there. Also, like I said, I'll leave a link to the Pitcoin company website. And like I said, they do actually have a discount code that you can use and you can pick up these coins with I believe it's a $20 discount. So really, really generous of them to do that. And once again, thank you Pitcoin for sending me these coins. Really, really appreciate it. I've really wanted to get my hand on this coin ever since I saw it being showcased on other people's channels. And also, again, thank you very much for the 2 ounces of silver. That will go nicely into my weight stack. I hope everyone enjoyed today's video. Hope you liked the Peaky Blinders backdrop. I've even got the flat peaked hat there with the razor blade in the front. But as always, thanks very much for watching. Please do hit the like button. Please do hit the thumbs up. And the reason I've said that twice is I believe when I say that, the actual thumbs up button lights up now, which is a really cool feature that YouTube have recently added. So like I said, please do hit the thumbs up. As always, thanks very much for watching today's video. I appreciate all the support and I hope you have a
very nice day by order of the Peaky Blinders.